In this video, we're going to solve one equation, one problem. We're going to do it 5 different ways. All right, our equation is this: 6x squared minus 8x minus 8 equals 0. Okay, what are the really lazy ways we've got of doing it? Well, let's just use technology. Let's grab our calculator and let's do it graphically. So 6x squared minus 8x minus 8, whoops, and I'm going to draw it, and we need to maybe zoom out a little bit, zoom in, here we go. So we want this point here and this point here. So we go to F5 Gsolve. Gsolve is our friend. So negative 0.6666667, so minus 2 over 3. And the other one is 2. Okay, let's just put that down. So our solutions are negative 2 over 3 and 2. All right. What's another way we've got of using our calculator to solve it? Well, there is a setting an equation which is just, this is what it does. So we're going to go to F2, polynomial solver. This is 6x to the power of 2, so it's degree 2. And you can see there it's already in the formula we want, x squared plus bx plus c. And we're going to put in 6, negative 8, negative 8 again, exe, solve, and we have 2, negative 2 over 3. How about that? Exactly what we had before. All right. Let's just clear that. Okay, what are the other ways we have of solving it? Well, the other ways we have of solving it is by factorising, completing the square, and using the quadratic equation. So you should always get the same answer. Now, if you are looking at this, and some part of you is saying, oh, can't we just divide by 2? You'll be right. Okay, so do yourself some favours. If you can, let's divide both sides by 2. So we have 3x squared minus 4x minus 4 is 0 divided by 2, which is 0. Much easier to solve. So let's factorise it. So we want two numbers that multiply to give us 3 times negative 4, so negative 12, and add to give us negative 4. All right, what are the factors of negative 12? Well, there's 1 negative 12, it's not that. There is 1, negative 1, and positive 12, well, it's obviously not that. There is negative 6 and 2, ooh, that looks promising. 6 and negative 2, well, it's not going to be that one, that's positive 4. And then there is negative 3, 4, it's not going to be that. And 3 and negative 4, it's not going to be that. So that's our winner. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. So let's break this up. 3x squared minus 6x plus 2x minus 4 equals 0. And I'm going to split that up. So 3x and 6x, what do they have in common? Well, 3x they have in common. So 3x times x is 3x squared, and 3x times negative 2 gives us negative 6. And if this one here, what do they have in common? Well, they have 2 in common, and x minus 2, these are the same. That's good. So let's collect what we have outside brackets and inside the brackets. Okay, so when we have two things multiplied together, either that equals 0 or that equals 0 or both. So let's set 3x plus 2 equals 0 and solve, and x minus 2 equals 0 and solve. This one's pretty easy. It's going to be 2, and that's exactly what we have up here. And for this one, we're going to take 2 away from both sides. 3x equals negative 2. X is negative 2 over 3, which is what we have there. Fantastic. All right, so I've cleared that off now. Let's we've done that. Let's complete the square. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to bring this 4 over. So it's 3x squared minus 4x equals positive 4. And we'll divide through by 3. So we've got x squared minus 4 over 3x equals 4 over 3. All right, now what we want to do is we want to take this and divide it by 2 and then square it. So we have yeah, you're okay with that? So 4 over 3 times half is 4 over 6. Okay, so that's 2 over 3 squared. Well, if this is a negative, that's negative. If we do that and we square it, then we're going to have 4 over 9. And it's going to be plus 4 over 9. And whatever we do to one side, we have to do the other side. And that's going to be really great because it's going to be x minus 2 over 3 squared equals, now 4 over
plus 4 over 9. If we multiply this by 3 over 3, we get 3 times 4, going to be 12 over 3 plus 12 over 9 plus 4 over 9. It's going to be 16 over 9. Okay, so it's going to be 16 over 9. And now we want to take the square root of both sides. Equals the square root of 16 over 9 plus minus square root of 16 over 9, which is going to be sort of there. Can we simplify that anymore? Yeah, we can actually, can't we? Yes. So it's going to be plus minus square root of 4, sorry, plus minus 4 over 3. So x minus 2 over 3 is plus minus 4 over 3. So x equals positive 4 over 3 plus 2 over 3, and x equals negative 4 over 3 plus 2 over 3. And that's going to be this common denominator. So 4 plus 2 is 6, which is 2, which is exactly what we had before. And these are also going to be common denominator, and it's going to be negative 2 over 3, which is what we had before. So our answers that we get are 2 and negative 2 over 3, which is what we got when we used the calculator before. All right, next method we've got is the granddaddy of them all. Let's just use the quadratic equation. But let's actually use the original numbers. All right, a equals 6, b equals negative 8, c is going to be also equal to negative 8. Let's do the discriminant first. It's because it's the messiest. So it's going to be 36 squared and minus 4 times 6 times negative 8. So this is going to be positive. So what's that going to be later? 4 times 6 times 8 is 192. So 36 plus 192. No, it's not. It's not going to be 36, is it? It's going to be not a squared, it's b squared. 64. So 64 plus 192. 256. Well, that's good because that's a perfect square. 256, and we know that the square root of 256 is plus minus 14.
Not too sure that was a clever move.
Yeah, not believe me? Okay. So the square root of 256 is 16. Just as well. 16 plus minus 16. So now we have negative b, so that's going to be 8. Because negative b equals 8. B is negative 8. Plus 16 over 2 times a and 2 times 6 and 8 minus 16 over, call it 12. So 8 plus 16 is 24 over 12, which is 2. 8 minus 16 is minus 8 over 12, which is minus 2 over 3 if we divide both sides by 4. And look at that, we get 2 and negative 2 over 3. So 5 ways, same answer. Did you expect any different? Maths works.